In this video, I'm going to show you how to build sales funnels in GoHighLevel. It should only take about 10 minutes, and by the end, you'll not only understand how to build a funnel, but also how GoHighLevel works, why it's such a powerful tool for marketers, and how you can actually earn from it. Before we get started, if you want to follow along with the steps in this video, click the link in the description to start using GoHighLevel right away. They're offering a free trial, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Even if you don't have GoHighLevel yet, you can sign up and follow these steps exactly to build your own funnels and email workflows, just like I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Before we dive deeper into building funnels, let's take a quick overview of GoHighLevel and why it's such a powerful tool for marketers and business owners. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to replace multiple tools at once. Instead of paying separately for a landing page builder, email marketing software, CRM, or SMS platform, GoHighLevel combines all of these into one easy-to-use system. At its core, GoHighLevel helps you capture leads, nurture them through automated emails and SMS, and convert them into paying customers. Everything you create, from funnels to forms to campaigns, is fully integrated, which means all your data, analytics, and workflows live in one place. You can see exactly how people are interacting with your pages, which emails are being opened, and which links are getting clicked, allowing you to optimize your marketing strategy in real time. GoHighLevel isn't just for big businesses, it's perfect for freelancers, digital marketers, agencies, and even beginners. You can build a simple email capture funnel for your own product or service, or create complex multi-step funnels for multiple clients. Agencies often use it to manage all their clients' campaigns from one dashboard, and because you can white label it, you can even offer GoHighLevel as your own marketing solution. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is actually come over to Sites on the corner here. Click on Sites just here. From inside of here, what we're going to want to do is click on New Funnel. Here, we can create a new funnel from blank, from the Funnel AI, or from templates. For me, I'm going to be doing it from blank, but it's up to you which one you choose. They do have loads of templates that you can use as well. I'm going to put a name in here. I think I'm going to call this something like Sending Emails. That works for me. Now click on Create. This has made us a dashboard. From here, we can add a new step by clicking on Create New Step or Import. Select that, and we can give this step a name. I'm going to call it Email Form. Leave the path as is. It will create one automatically. You also have the option to import a template from ClickFunnels if you have the URL. Once you're happy with the name, click on Create Funnel Step. This has now created our funnel step, which is the email form. We can add another step and call it Thank You. Click on Create Funnel Step. For this tutorial, I'm only going to have two steps, the email form where the client adds their email address and the thank you page they're redirected to after submitting. Click into the email form and select Create from Blank. Now we're inside the builder. First, add a section. I'm using a full-width section, but you can choose smaller ones if you want. Next, add a row and choose a one-column layout. Inside this column, we can add a headline and a paragraph if we want a message before the form. I've just put in Enter your details below, but you can customize it. You can also add or remove paragraphs as needed. I'm going to delete mine and now add the actual form. Click on the plus button to add a column and drag it in. Click on Add Element, search for Form, and drag it in. It will say we need a form, so click on Save, and then click here to create a new form. Inside the Form section, you can start from scratch or use a template. I'm starting from scratch. Click on Create, and now we have a simple form. Remove fields we don't need, like last name or phone number, leaving just first name and email address. You can add more fields if needed. Make sure to include policy and terms of service if applicable. Check how it looks on mobile by selecting the phone view. Give the form a name, like Email Form 1, and click Save. Close the form builder and return to the funnel page. Back in the funnel builder, select the blue box, go to the corner, and select your newly created funnel. Make sure you select Into Your Form. For the button actions, select Go to Next Step. This ensures that when a customer submits their email, they are sent to the thank you page.
If you want, you can rename the button to Submit in the form editor. Click Save, close the editor, save again, and refresh the page. The button now says Submit. Click on Publish. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase one or connect an existing one. I already have a domain, so I selected mine and clicked Save. Next, create the thank you page. Click Create from Blank, add a full section, a row with one column, and add a headline that says Thank you for signing up. Add a paragraph below with something like, We have sent you an email. Customize font sizes or add images if desired. Click Save and then Publish. Now, let's create a workflow. Go to Automations, Create Workflow, and start from scratch. Add a trigger and select Form Submitted. Choose the form Email Form 1 and then click Save Trigger. Click the plus button and select Send Email. Name the email action, add your email details, subject, and message. For example, thank you for signing up for your free cooking course. Click the link below to get your course. You can add a download link or Google Doc URL if desired. Click Save Action and then Publish. Name the workflow, like Email Workflow, and save. Finally, test your funnel. Go back to Sites, select your Sending Emails funnel, and click View Page. Enter a name and email address, and then click Submit. You should be redirected to the thank you page and receive the test email. The email will include your message and download link if added. And that's how you set up a simple funnel for sending emails inside GoHighLevel. As you can see, it's not just about creating a form and a thank you page. It's about building an entire system that can capture leads, nurture them automatically, and guide them towards becoming paying customers. With GoHighLevel, everything is connected, which means once your funnel is set up, it can run on autopilot. You don't need multiple tools, you don't need to manually send emails, and you can track exactly how your leads are engaging with your content from one central dashboard. The possibilities with GoHighLevel are really endless. You can build funnels for your own products, run affiliate marketing campaigns, or even offer these services to other businesses as a digital marketing agency. Because GoHighLevel allows for automation of emails, SMS, follow-ups, and even appointment scheduling, you can scale your business without having to be hands-on all the time. It's a platform that grows with you. You can start with simple funnels like the one we built today, and later add more complex workflows, upsells, and multi-step campaigns as you get more comfortable with it. And the best part is, you don't have to take my word for it. You can try GoHighLevel yourself completely risk-free. They offer a free trial, which means you can follow along with everything we showed in this video, build your own funnels, test workflows, and see how it works for your business without spending a single dollar. Even if you're just getting started or learning how to record your own tutorial videos, this free trial gives you full access to the platform so you can experiment, practice, and gain hands-on experience. So, if you haven't already, click the link in the description to start your GoHighLevel free trial today. Explore the platform, try building your own funnels, and see how much easier it makes managing leads, automations, and campaigns.